So I was in the mood for a little pumpkin latte tonight, and I thought I would share my recipe with you for a healthy pumpkin spice latte. So you start out with some coffee. You need half a cup of coffee, and I choose to use organic coffee, and this is actually decaf, and it's water process as opposed to the chemical process decaf. And I chose to use my French press to make it in because I wanted it to be really strong. And then you put all the other ingredients into a saucepan. So I put 1 teaspoon of stevia erythritol mix. It called for coconut cream, but I only had coconut milk. So it is 1/2 cup of coconut milk or coconut cream, 1/4 cup of pumpkin puree, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, and 2 tablespoons of, my choice is grass-fed butter. And then after you heat it on the stove, it looks nice and rich and creamy just like this. I took it off the heat, and then I added 2 drops of doTerra OnGuard. So OnGuard is a blend, and it has cinnamon oil, clove, wild orange, some really yummy stuff. Okay, so now I'm going to pour my pumpkin mix into my coffee. And then I'm going to take my whisk. I usually use 2 hands to make my whisk go really, really fast. That'll make it be a little bit frothy. And if you're using the coconut cream, it's going to be more frothy. And then once I get it like I want it, I'm going to add a few sprinkles of some ground cinnamon. Ooh la la, healthy pumpkin spice latte. Enjoy.